you could work a lot faster with this one here. Okay, I have two brushes here, and I'm going to show you the difference in these two brushes. This one here holds a lot more paint than this one. This one, you could work a lot faster with this one here because you grab a lot of paint and you could cut in perfectly with it. And you probably want to do 2 rows of paint there before you roll. You can use your roller after that. So you want to bring in 1 coat and then 2nd coat, then your roller. This one here has a sash on it, angle, and he's really good for tight spaces to get to that point there and bring it out, your paint out, and you could come up. He's just a little bit smaller, skinnier. So if you're gonna probably work a little bit more to bring down your line before your roller. Now these brushes are really high quality brushes. The name brand kind of tells you, and the price will tell you also. You want a good soft brush, but for it to be stiff enough that it gives you a straight line.